Vibe is polka dot. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I'll be using these long almond extensions and this canali extension glue. Let's get started. I'm going to apply some of the glue to the inside of my extensions. I'm going to scrape a little bit off the bottom. I will apply my nail at a 45-degree angle. Push down so ever softly until the gel reaches the tip of your nail, and once done, you're going to cure for 15 seconds. We're going to continue with the same process. I'm going to put some glue inside the extensions. We're going to wipe a little bit off at the bottom. Going to apply your nail to 45-degree angle and push down so ever slightly, and then we're going to cure for 15 seconds. We will continue with the same steps for the remaining of the nails. Applying gel extensions is like therapy, except my therapist is a nail brush. This is so rewarding. I'm using my drill to carefully remove the excess glue from the sides of my nail bed and blend the extensions seamlessly into my cuticles. I'm using this Marquette 5-in-1 nail drill bit that I got from Amazon. Now I'm taking an angled brush dipped in acetone, using a gentle back and forth sweeping motion over my nail extensions to blend them into the cuticle area. Make sure not to stay in the same spot too long because you do not want the acetone to seep under the extensions and cause lifting. I'm using a nail file to gently buff the top layer of the extensions so the polish adheres better. I'm also filing down a plastic tip at the top of the extensions. I'm applying 2 layers of this cream nude blush polish, which is absolutely beautiful, then curing for 60 seconds. Warning, amateur at work. Expect polish mishaps, laughs, and a few saved dollars. I'll be using 3 different colors. This first color is a nice soft mint looking green. I wanted to try my twisted vibe on polka dots. Now, since French tips and I don't get along, I decided to do my own playful version. I'm painting each nail tip in 3 different colors, and I'm adding some black dots for extra fun. Now I'm going to apply this soft lavender polish to my ring finger. My favorite color is purple, any shades of purple. I will be applying this white to my middle finger as well as my thumb. And then for the index finger, I will be applying the minty green again. Nails have been cured for 60 seconds. We'll be using this dotted tool to apply our dots to every one of our fingers. Imperfect dots, but perfect vibes. Dots has gone rogue, and I'm here for it. I'm painting each nail with matte polish so I can add some fun powders to the tips. I will be using this pressed powder pigment palette. I'm applying green and purple and alternating the colors on each nail tip. I will be applying multiple layers of these powders to build up my desired look. If you keep seeing me going over to my right, I am wiping off the powders off the brush on a paper towel so I can move on to the next color. Color crisis averted. Eyeshadow brush is coming in hot. I am now applying a clear top coat. I'm applying 3D flowers to my middle finger and my thumb. I'm going to give them a quick, fast cure just to secure the flowers before placing my hand under the UV light for 60 seconds. Alright, nails are officially complete. I went for my own twist on 2025 nail trends, taking French tips, giving them a playful, colorful, and adding polka dots for that extra fun vibe. I really wanted something that felt lighthearted and creative, and I think it came out just how I imagined. Honestly, nails don't have to be perfect to look amazing. It's about enjoying the process, experimenting, and just having fun with it. I hope you all enjoyed watching me go through all the steps, the little mistakes, and all the playful moments along the way. It's real, it's messy, and it's a part of fun. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and make sure you stick around because I'll be bringing you the next version of the 2025 nail trends soon.